Samsung may be gearing up to expand its foldable lineup once again, and a fresh GSMA database listing is fueling the buzz. A device carrying the model number SMF971U has surfaced, and contrary to earlier whispers about a budget flip, evidence now points toward a second Galaxy Z Fold 8 variant planned for 2026. If accurate, Samsung could be preparing a wider, more practical fold that tackles long-standing user feedback head-on, while SMF971U points to a fold, not a flip according to a Smart Pre report. SMF971U aligns with Samsung's fold naming structure rather than the flips. Historically, Samsung uses the SMF7X format for the Flip series and SMF9XX for the Fold series. The F97X prefix strongly suggests this device belongs to the Fold family, not the Flip. The mysterious H8 codename and what it implies, the listing also references the codename H8, which breaks from the mainline Fold codenames that follow a clean sequence. For reference, Galaxy Z Fold 6, SMF956Q6, Galaxy Z Fold 7, SMF966Q7, Galaxy Z Fold 8, expected 2026, SMF976, Q8. H8 doesn't fit that Q series pattern, hinting that Samsung could be developing an additional fold model to sit alongside the standard Galaxy Z Fold 8 potentially, a variant that differentiates itself through form factor. Wider Galaxy Z Fold 8, aspect ratios, and real world gains. Reports from South Korea earlier this year pointed to a broader foldable in development, and the SMF971U listing appears to align with that project. Early details suggest a shorter, wider cover display that targets an 18:9 aspect ratio, an inner display that effectively becomes 18:18 by combining two 18:9 panels, creating a near-square workspace. This approach could solve one of the most consistent user complaints about previous folds, the narrow cover screen. A wider exterior would feel more natural for everyday phone tasks, typing, messaging, scrolling, and quick replies without forcing users open the device as often. Inside, the near-square canvas should boost multitasking, reduce awkward letterboxing, and make split-screen and productivity apps more fluid. In other words, this design could bridge the gap between a standard smartphone experience on the outside and a tablet-like workspace on the inside. This variant appears for strategic timing. The U at the end of SMF971U indicates a US model, which often appears early in certification databases. Samsung typically follows with regional variants from markets like Europe and South Korea. An early U citing suggests Samsung may be prioritizing the American market, where competition is heating up and brand positioning matters. It also aligns with reports that Apple could be preparing its first foldable iPhone for 2026, rumored to favor a compact, wider form factor. A broader fold variant would be a timely counterpunch. Two Fold 8 models in 2026. Here's how it could shake out if the patterns hold. Samsung's 2026 lineup may feature a standard Galaxy Z Fold 8 that follows the established Q series codename Q8, a second Galaxy Z Fold 8 variant with the H8 codename, potentially the wider model designed to address usability on the cover display. This would give Samsung a two-pronged strategy in the premium foldable segment, offering customers a choice between the familiar tall slim fold experience and a wider, more phone-like option without sacrificing the benefits of a large inner screen. What to watch next as development progresses? Expect more regulatory appearances and certifications to trickle out, which typically confirm connectivity specs and regional variants. If the SMF971U truly represents a wider Galaxy Z Fold 8 variant, it could mark Samsung's most user-driven redesign in years, making the Fold lineup more approachable for everyday phone users while preserving the multitasking power that defines the series. Bottom line, the SMF971U listing, the H8 codename, and the evolving aspect ratio Story all suggests Samsung is preparing to broaden the Galaxy Z Fold 8 family in 2026. A wider front display and a near-square inner screen could finally deliver the balance Fold users have been asking for without compromising on the flagship foldable experience.